Hi everyone, welcome. This is Stardust LV and hope you guys are well. Today we're gonna do a Louis Vuitton unboxing and let's find out what is this. So this was ordered from the store when I went there. This is actually a pair of sandals. They don't have my size, so it was ordered online and this is what it looks like. It's nice that when we buy sandals from Louis Vuitton, they have their own dust bag. And this is what it looks like, guys. It's called a Lock It sandal. And I love the simplicity that it looks. And this reminds me of my Hermes Oran sandals in gold. So this is my Oran sandals in gold and it goes with everything. That's why I got this Louis Vuitton version. It really looks similar except that the color, this is more darker than this one. And it also has the same all leather upper in here. And this is really made well. The stitching looks really clean and neat. And at the back, it looks like this. And I got my true size 8. And it will look like this when you put it on your feet. Very pretty. I look at this online and I cannot find it anymore. So maybe this was from the last collection or last season, I mean, as it's not available in the website. So I tried it on, guys, and it looks like this left side is bigger as to the width compared to this one, and when I wear it, my foot is extended like this and it is loose. So this will not work for me, as I don't know if it's a quality issue or what. But if you're gonna look, guys, here, if you're gonna look, you're gonna see that the other one is bigger. So this is the one that my toes are all protruding. And if you're gonna compare it, you can see the size difference, that this is bigger. This is the first time that I had an issue with a Louis Vuitton shoes. This is my 5th pair. I have 2 sneakers, 1 Wonderland boot, and also this Bundia Mule, which I have years back, and I've never had issues with the sizing of Louis Vuitton shoes before, but this one looks like they missed on the sizing. It's too bad, as this is really a nice looking shoes. And here, so this one is bigger than this one when it comes to the width. That's it, guys. This will not work for me if my toes are protruding. And thank you for watching. May all of you have a wonderful day. Hope to see you on my next video. Bye.